Well, in South Delhi, you can see that mock drill is conducted here. NewsX TV is here to show you the mock drill preparations that has been going on. You can see the ambulances here. You can see all the forces have been here. On the other side itself, you can see the mock drill preparations have been going on. You can see the DFS. You can see how these operations have been conducted. NewsX TV is here on ground to show you the mock drill services that have been happening after Operation Sindoor itself. You can see in South Delhi itself, you can see all the officials of the civil defense staff, of the Delhi police staff, of the Delhi fire service ahead also. And here also we are showing you these exclusive visuals of the operation that is going on, of the fact that there is this thing going on, where is this situation is happening, where the mock drill is taking place to ensure the safety of the civilians, the safety of students. Here, this is one society, one locality in South Delhi here itself, and we from NewsX itself, we've come on ground to show you these exclusive visuals of the mock drill that is being conducted here itself. You can see ahead also these visuals itself. We are showing you all these visuals of the fact that the mock drill being conducted itself, and NewsX is on ground to show you what the security preparations have been after Operation Sindoor also that we were covering itself. You can see mock drill preparations itself that is going on ahead. You can see the DFS, you can see this police officials, and ahead also you can see there's this District Disaster Management Authority South that is written here itself. There was DFS, there was fire safety buses that was there, and a big operation also that was conducted by Indian Air Force. A very concentrated attack that happened from India side, where 9 such locations on POK was targeted in a coordinated attempt to infiltrate and to destroy the terrorist shelters itself. And now mock drill is also being conducted here behind me. We've shown you these visuals. You can see these mock drills being conducted here itself, and these are being done so that the people can be aware of the situation, and there is no panic. If there is a situation here, there is no panic. People can remain calm, people can remain vigilant, and people can remain more cautious of the situation that might prevail. So yes, definitely by the Ministry of Home Affairs, the Indian government, you can see here itself all these coordinated mock drills being conducted by the authorities itself to ensure everything is on peace, everything becomes better. This is me, Brian Aditya Thomas, signing off for NewsX Delhi.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.